Hi, this is George from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'll be taking you on a walk round of this Volkswagen California in Ocean specification with the 2-litre TDI 150 PS diesel engine and slick 7-speed automatic DSG gearbox. And this California comes in a two-tone candy white and starlight blue metallic paint finish, which looks absolutely superb. Some of the key exterior features include the IQ Light LED matrix headlights, which illuminate the road ahead in all sorts of condition and in style as well, whilst it sits on the gorgeous 19-inch Helmstadt design alloy wheels, and it boasts an awning on the passenger side, perfect for sheltered dining outside as well as just relaxing. At the rear there's plenty of storage as well as the water tank, and the side doors open electronically with just a press of a button on your keys. It boasts the rear 2 sliding seats, which also feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, and there's a gas hob as well as a folding tap and sink with plenty of storage and a fridge as well, providing all the necessities you need for cooking on a weekend away, for example. Meanwhile, it also features a pop-up roof for additional sleeping space as well. In the front interior, there's the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel ahead of the digital cockpit display, the touchscreen display in the middle, and the front 2 seats, which are really comfortable and supportive, thanks to the 4-way lumbar support, as well as foldable armrests for both the driver and passenger. The buttons on the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel allow you to easily set the adaptive cruise control, as well as control the display ahead, and also the heated function of the steering wheel too. And in the centre, there's the touchscreen display, where you can access a range of useful features, like the built-in navigation to guide you to your destination, external media connectivity and the DAB digital radio, as well as telephone connectivity as well, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can make the most out of apps optimised for use on the go. And there's the rear parking camera and front and rear sensors, which helps to make parking in those tighter spaces that bit easier. And there's the easy to use controls for the climate control, as well as the heated front seats. You can also choose your favourite driving profile in the drive mode menu, and you can put your own personal touch on the interior too, thanks to the range of colours on offer in the ambient lighting. To the side, there's the controls for the electrically opening doors, as well as the pop-out roof, and just below, a wireless charging pad, as well as a couple of USB Type-C ports, so you can easily charge your devices on the go, and folding cup holders as well. Thank you for watching this walk around video. If you're interested in this van or would like to know more, please give us a call on the number listed below, or alternatively make an online inquiry now.